One size rarely fits all. Should you accept the Council's pre-selected solar and battery bundle or design a system around your own roof and lifestyle? Let's compare bulk buy packages with independent choice and service. The Council Bulk Buy partners with an out-of-area provider to supply systems at exclusive rates. It's a ready-made bundle. Because the package is pre-negotiated, you have limited say on panel efficiency, battery chemistry, or inverter brand. If you choose an independent, you can pick any compliant product from premium panels to the exact battery size you need. Custom design matters. For example, if your roof has shade in the afternoon, an independent installer can specify microinverters or optimizers so every panel performs. A fixed bundle may not offer that flexibility. Service is local too. With Platinum Solar Designs, you speak directly to the team who installed your system. No call centre queue, just fast responses and familiar faces. Even the New South Wales Government advises using the battery installation checklist to secure a safe, high-quality job. Independent retailers follow it to the letter and give you full visibility on workmanship. When you buy local, the warranty is backed by the people up the road. If a panel or battery needs attention in 5 years, you're not waiting for a national aggregator to assign a subcontractor. We're on your doorstep. Before you sign any contract, run through this checklist. If the answers are locked in stone, you're in a bulk bundle. If you can adjust every line, you're in control. Want a system designed for your roof, your budget, and your future plans? Talk to us and compare our independent proposal with any bulk buy package.